Nicole, good to speak to you. Now, most people thought this would be a very quick and light sentence handed down, but it didn't turn out that way at all. What exactly happened in the courtroom, apart from very harsh words from the judge?
That's right. It's been a dramatic and extraordinary morning here in the court. As you said, we were expecting a light sentence. The Mueller investigation had recommended a light sentence of between 0 and 6 months. But in the end, it was quite different. So we heard from the judge. He spent a good 30 minutes really trying to convince the defence that perhaps they should consider delaying the sentencing, saying that Michael Flynn may end up with a much better deal if he holds off, if he continues to investigate, to cooperate with the Mueller investigation, remembering that he has done 19 separate interviews with them. He's been a key witness. The other thing that the judge said was that if Flynn also continues to cooperate with a separate investigation into two of his former business partners, Turkish business partners who are involved in government lobbying, that may also help Michael Flynn. Now, his defence and Michael Flynn continued to say, listen, we're ready to go, we want the sentence. And then suddenly we really heard the judge's opinion, some of those strong statements. The judge said that Michael Flynn had carried out a serious crime, that he had essentially lied to the FBI, the Department of Justice, while in the White House, that he had acted as an unregistered foreign agent. The judge also said that he'd sold out his country and that what he did was against the American flag. Clearly, this shocked the courtroom. Many people were very surprised. We could see the shock on the face of Michael Flynn and his lawyers. We then went into recess, and when they came back, Flynn and his team decided that they would accept the judge's offer to delay that sentencing.
And Nicole, as you mentioned, very strong language there from the judge. So what does this mean now for everyone else caught in the crosshairs of the Mueller investigation?
Well, really the most important thing now is what this means for Michael Flynn moving forward on this case in Turkey. And that's really the other big half of the story here today. So on Monday, two of Flynn's former business associates were charged in a Virginia court. They were charged with being unregistered foreign agents for conspiring to use their company to delegitimize a Turkish citizen living in the United States. And the person we're referring there to is Fethullah Gulen. Now, he is regarded by the Turkish government as being the leader of a terrorist organization. So it's a very sort of controversial period going forward in this case in Virginia, one that we heard today in the court that Michael Flynn could have been implicated in, but as part of his plea deal and his cooperation with the authorities and the Mueller investigation, he has not been indicted on this, so he will be continuing to cooperate on that case. So it's certainly not the last, I expect, that we will have heard from Michael Flynn and the outcome of this case involving Turkey.